going on, guys? So today we're gonna be washing my truck. She's a little filthy, so we're gonna get her washed up. She's a little filthy, so we're gonna get her nice and washed up today. Got all my detailing stuff in the back. So yeah, we're gonna get her washed up today.
Me, you got your strap? Ain't nothing to talk about. Let's get it. I don't sleep on no beef. No, you know I'm on top of everything, nigga. I come on your street. Yeah, fuck talking, let that metal bang, nigga. I don't squash no beef. No, I was taught to handle everything, nigga. I don't play with no beef. No, run in his crib and kill everything living, you hear me? If I want a nigga gone, he a dead man. Say my name on his song, he a dead man. Try to hide behind your niggas, that's your man's ass. I leave his whole body bloody, call him Red Man. Hit the club in them Audi trucks and through bands, don't get it twisted, bitch, we still got them Scooby-Doo vans. Fuck with me, I'ma come to where you stand and walk in your house with big shit, like I'm finna move in. Let me say that I don't wanna see you buzz live. Niggas in your backyard and on your front grass, and they don't shoot cribs, they gon' give you one chance. Like nigga, come outside or we gon' come in, boy. I don't sleep on no beef. We ain't sleeping no. You know I'm on top of everything.